everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and today is 8th day of Navratri and I'm back with another Indian celebrity inspired makeup look. So today I'll be creating this particular look of Shraddha Kapoor which she carried during the promotion of Movies 3. By the way, that movie was awesome, I loved it. So this look is a wearable, practical glam look. It's very fresh and young and this will look absolutely stunning in real life. So let's get started. I've already moisturized my face and have my lip balm on, and now I'm going to use this primer. So this primer is more of a smoothing primer and helps make my makeup stay for longer hours very mildly. So I like to start from the center of my face and move outwards. Then I'm going to apply this eye primer. This will help my eye makeup to stay creaseless and will also enhance the pigmentation of the shadow. Now, as you can see, Shraddha Kapoor's eye makeup, she has a very sheer wash of shimmery shade with use of purple, pink and blue. I'm gonna alter this makeup look a little bit and go 2-3 shades darker on my lids because I really wanted to do one purple makeup in this series. So I'm using this Morphe 35U palette. You can try to work with whatever similar eyeshadow product that you have. I'm gonna use these 3 shades, blue, purple and pink. We'll use this darker purple. I'm trying to see if this will come out as what I have pictured in my mind, sort of iridescent shade with purple, blue and pink hues. I think this looks perfect and changes shade from different angles. Pretty. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply in the same way on my eyelid. So tapping away excess product and applying this blue shade all over my lid very lightly. Then I'm gonna take this purple shade on the same brush and apply it with light pressure on top of blue shade. We want the pigments to sort of partially mix together, and then finally I'm mixing this pink shade, which already is kind of a duochrome shade with purple hues, and topping it using the same brush. I love this shadow, but camera isn't able to capture it nicely, but it looked very pretty. Now mixing these two brown shadows and applying it onto the socket only with very light pressure, as I can see some shadow in Shraddha's eyelid crease. Then taking a clean brush and slightly wiping off any extra product and blending the edges. Also applying this brown shade on my lower lash line with just whatever was left on the brush, because I don't see intense brown shadow under her lower lash line. Then I'm applying a very thin line of this eyeliner, as Shraddha's eyeliner is quite thin and a tiny thin wing is present. So I'm also drawing that by using my last upper lash as a guide. Also applying kohl on my upper and lower lash line just like Shraddha, and blending my lower lash line kohl edges slightly, and then I curl my lashes and applied mascara only onto my top lashes. Will apply it on lower lashes later. Also I don't see false lashes on Shraddha, so didn't apply one. Then for my foundation, I'm going to use this foundation stick, as this is a quick makeup look, so a foundation stick is a quicker way to apply foundation and get a flawless base. Also buffing it with a buffing brush for a more natural finish. Shraddha's base is also very natural and light, so keeping it that way. Also using it as my concealer, using a small brush to blend it. This way blending is better and application is precise only onto the areas where extra coverage is required. Moving on to the brows. Shraddha's brows are wide but naturally filled. So I'm just wiggling this brow pencil in between my brow hair and then blending it with this spoolie, and finally brushing it upwards and setting it with clear mascara. Now this step is optional. I'm adding some extra shimmer on top of my eyelid and around my lower inner eye corner for added glam. I don't see extra shimmer on Shraddha's eyelid, so you may want to skip this, but I think it just added a bit of an oomph. Next, I'm using this pale champagne shimmer shade and applying it lightly on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes to highlight that area. Now setting my base with very little amount of this translucent setting powder. I think it works best this way on my skin. Coming to bronzer, blush and highlight. Contour on Shraddha's face is neither too light nor too stark, but it is evident. So I'm gonna apply this matte bronzer onto the hollows of my cheeks, hairline and under my jawline just like Shraddha.
And then I can see some hint of blush on her cheeks. It's not too strong, but she has some rosy glow. So applying a little amount of this blush on my cheeks and dusting off remaining on my nose and chin for healthy looking pink glowing skin. Highlight is diffused on her cheeks for a more natural glow. So applying this highlighter from the same palette on high points of my face. She has beautiful soft matte pink shade on her lips. So applying this pink nude lip shade on my lips. And finally, to finish off my makeup, I am spraying some Fix Plus. And it also just adds a very natural glow. So I love using this.
So this is the finished look. It's a very... Shant ho jao, please. This is the finished look. It's a quick glam look and it's really fresh, young and edgy at the same time, especially because of this nut. So let me know how this looks on me because I'm not quite sure. Anyway, so tag me if you recreate this particular makeup look. I would love to share some love on your picture. So alright, I will go now and please take care of yourself. Stay blessed and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I'm in my balcony right now and this is how my makeup looks like in real life.